He didn't get you.
Dad, that's one bad attack dog.
Yes, it is. Here's Callie working on the snow fort. Can you poke your head out, Callie? Like, can you poke your head out? You can't really see, I guess. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. There she is.
Like that?
Like that, perfect. Alright, so I'll give you a tour. I'll give you a tour of our little snow fort.
Okay.
So I'll go down this way. Hey, what? Come here, Joey! I want a second! Okay, here's one of the main entrances to our snow fort. See, can we zoom in? Can we see in here? Okay. There, now I can see.
You can?
Yep. Okay, so here's a, and here's a little escape route.
Okay, so there's a fire.
A fire, yes. Very common occurrences in snow forts.
Yep.
Okay, so turn around here. Okay, oh, there she is. Okay, back up here a little bit there. Okay, now, Callie, can you crawl to the other, all the way to the other end so we see how far it is?
Backwards or like? Go
You can turn around.
I'll go this way.
There she's going up. She's to the one entrance there.
Halfway there.
Halfway there. Okay, let's get back here. You can see it's quite a long little snow fort. Oh, she's almost to the end there.
I'm here.
Well, let me zoom in here and see your face. There's your nice smiley face. Alright. Now I'm going to crawl through. It's pretty good size in here. Okay. Let me crawl through here. Whoops. Oh, hit the wrong button, darn it.
Did you stop it?
No, I hit the zoom button. Okay, I'm crawling through here. Okay, you can see we're coming up to another one of our entrances.
We have 3 entrances.
We have a little, it's hard to see through the camera, but there's a little kind of closet here, I guess. Maybe we'll make it into a kitchen when we're done with it. There's our other entrance. Whoops, just keep zooming in now. There's the entrance there. See here? See? Nice. There's our real house outside of there. Oh, we're getting back up to Callie again. So, oh, there she's going. Okay. Whoops. There she's trying to do some more work on our little fort here. Alright, let me get all the way up to the end here. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's her bedroom. Callie's in her bedroom now.
Nice little bed.
Pretty nice there. She's in a little bedroom there. There's the entrance again. Whoops, keep going. Entrance. And there's our little snow fort. Oh, you can come all the way up here. There's the outside of it. See how far down it is? Ooh. Okay, here's our little snow fort. It's even fun for a dog. Hey Joey, what do you think? Whoa, back up. Nice, nice. What do you think, Joey? You like that snow fort? See if you can call him out, Callie. See if you can get him to come out that.
No,
Whoops.
do you want to come out?
Oh. Turn on that way, Joey. There you go.
Oh, okay. Good boy.
There he goes. Are you stuck? Are you stuck?